What's going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video, and today we're talking about what happened in the market today because the account is up big, and that is mainly because of BABA. We briefed on BABA in the last video, and we talked about a couple things like that antitrust issue that they had, the $2.8 billion fine, and how I believed it was good news for the stock. And apparently Wall Street agreed as well, with the stock rallying 9.27% today. That's where essentially all of our gains came from today, because the market was down overall, but BABA was up. And overall in BABA today, we made a lot of good money, $6,022 in total from BABA. The rest of our positions were down today. Everything, a little bit of a pullback, totally normal in the market, which I'm actually glad about, because I have these naked calls for Apple still that need Apple to stay right where it is for a couple weeks. But I did not see that AMD fell hard with this. Nvidia had some really good news come out today, and it sent all the chip makers down a lot. I did not see this. I did not see AMD fall this far. If AMD starts, under $79 again tomorrow, we're going to go ahead and sell another Leaps put on it, because I love AMD long term. I think this is an amazing stock, and it's definitely worth buying. Nvidia had an amazing day. You guys know I have some Nvidia positions in my portfolio, up very nice on that today. We are currently up $1,000, or we can still get $1,000 out of it. We're up 190 on it right now, which is awesome. So up a lot on that. Very safe, 470, and the stock's sitting at like 670 right now. There's 608, pardon me. Just an incredible day for Nvidia, but it leaves a great opportunity for these chip makers like AMD to buy up. So I definitely think that is going to be the move for tomorrow. If it stays down right where it is, because 5% is a big drop, I think that's an overreaction. Like most drops are, they're usually overreactions on quality companies. We buy those up. We did it with Apple, we did it with Amazon, we did it with BABA. They're all paying off well. Now we're going to do it with AMD, because anything under $80 a share for AMD is a steal. So I will be buying tomorrow. Hopefully, it's already up a little bit after hours. I hope it falls down and finishes about 77 tomorrow. And I would love to pick up another Leaps put, $85 strike price for next year. Collect a nice amount of premium for that. Another big news today is Tesla. Tesla flew is over $700 a share now. Another analyst upped its target to $1,000. This analyst, Cancord Generity, whatever, thinks that the stock's going to go to $1,071 a share because of their battery storage. And Tesla's engineering will radically change the battery market, enabling the company to further lead the EVs and expand into the solar and home energy markets with its Powerwall products, he said. So, he thinks this is a $1 trillion business, and he thinks Tesla can take a market share of that. And he's over double his valuation on it. He had a price of 419, and he raised it to 171. So maybe he owns a lot of Tesla, and that's why he would put an absurd price like that. Who knows? I'm not 100% sure. $1,000 does kind of seem a little excessive, considering the fact that PE ratio is already over 1,100. Setting it to 1,000 would send it to about a 1,600 PE ratio, which would be a little bit excessive. But their earnings are next week, so we'll see about that. We'll see how it compares. But overall, pretty wild day. GameStop down another 10% today. The trend might be fading with GameStop, but overall it's a pretty flat day in the market. Dow and S&P barely moving at all. Nasdaq down 0.3%. Not much of a day today. Just that BABA news was amazing. I was watching it last night in the Hong Kong market, seeing it up like 7%. I was like, yes, this is perfect. This is amazing. This is exactly what we want to see. We're basically at 245 right now. And on a lot of volume as well. If we actually was today, it was insane. Even after hours alone was 2.75 million. Regular hours 57 million, with the average of being 18.16 million. So again, a great day in the market overall. But yeah, I can't complain. It's going pretty well. The account is growing significantly faster at $111,000 now. You guys know, literally a couple weeks ago in March, this account was sitting at 71,000. So to bring it back up to six figures, and now well above six figures is great. And we're gonna try to stay safe and find opportunities to continue to make more money on that. So I think the play is AMD. We're already up a little bit on this put right here. We're up $148 on the put. But we want to go ahead and actually probably sell an $85 strike price put for it because we're that bullish on it. We think it will definitely be there by next year. And we'll probably collect about $1,500 for that. So those are going to be the plays for tomorrow. Definitely just watching AMD and seeing what that does. Maybe even locking in Nvidia, but there's really no point because we're super bullish on Nvidia. We can still get $1,000 out of it. So why not take advantage of that? So anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts on all of this. Let me know your thoughts on Nvidia having some big news, Tesla having some big news, Baba having some big news. What plays you guys are in and what plays you guys are going to be looking forward to. We also have PLTR's demo day coming up very, very soon, that double click event. The stock had a really weird day today. Fell super hard in the beginning, was down like 7%, but then actually rallied back about 2.5%. So like I said, it's going to see some extreme volatility coming into this double click weekend. You guys know me, I have Palantir as well. You guys know that I'm a big Palantir believer in the long term. We sold 2 puts on it. We also have 7 put credit spreads on Palantir, but just another opportunity to make some money on the volatile swings. Usually when Palantir falls over 5%, it's a very good idea to jump into it because the next day it usually rallies. We've seen this a lot, with big dips and big recoveries. Every single time it usually recovers right back to where it was. Obviously reaching its highs again is going to be it's going to be proven to be a little bit difficult because it's still about 40% off its highs, but it's still a great company, and I love this company long term, so it's definitely worth looking into. But mainly right now we're sticking with our put credit spreads. We like our put credit spreads. We like selling puts when we can. We sold a put on AMD, we sold a put on Apple, we sold 3 puts on Baba, we sold a put on Palantir. But yeah, we're gonna try to add another one to that. But it just takes up a lot of collateral to sell puts, as you guys know. I mean, right here alone, that's 50,000. It's 21,000. So it takes up a lot. That's why we're on E-Trade using level 4 options to get extreme leverage, about 4 times the normal amount. And we're using that to our advantage. So we're actually betting against Amazon a little bit as well right now. We don't think Amazon's going to be above 3,500 by next week. So we'll see what happens with that. But Amazon's obviously been doing really well. We're up big on Amazon now. With these little credit spreads that we have, we could still get a really good amount out of them. $9,680 out of these. So like I said, it's going to be interesting to see. I'm very excited for the future. I'm very excited to see what this portfolio is going to do. But yeah, we're back to being up big now overall. We were basically even when we were at 70, but now we're back to being up $40,000 in the year and a half that we've been trading. Almost 2 years now, actually. I think we started trading in August or September of about 2 years ago. So this is interesting, that we're, in that amount of time we managed to make that amount of money. So we're going to continue to grow this account, continue to make up some good gains. We had a last video talking about what I could actually make if all my positions go well, and it was around $40,000. Now it's about $35,000 because of Baba, but it's just a great way to make some good money long term and play it pretty safe. You guys know I like to play things safe and not take too many risks. Not anymore, but it's one of those things to just watch. You have some simulations that you can use here to see different positions and all that stuff like that. But overall, we're very happy that we're doing well today. As you guys can clearly see, I got the majority of the money came from Baba. Amazon, I'm not sure why I said Amazon was down so much today. That the stock was up $7. So one of the spreads, how the bid and the asks work. Been there, done that. We don't like that, but just a little glitch. So I'm very happy. I'm very excited to see what happens with the account. So let me know your guys' thoughts on my account. Let me know your guys' thoughts on your account, and just remember to like, subscribe. But have a wonderful day, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.